Hey team, so we're tiling today in here, so we got to take off some trim off the wall, and I got a little trick for you.
If you just take a crowbar after this wall, you're going to dent up everything. So put a drywall spat under behind there. Now it's going to come off like you know what you're doing.
All right, now we got the trim off. That was easy. Now what we need to do is we need to talk about why we're going to install this little membrane on top of this plywood, okay? We cannot just put ceramic tile or porcelain straight on top of this plywood. The reason is the plywood moves. Every time you walk on it, expanding and contracting, you can't just tile right over top of it. So we use, in this case, a Schluter Ditra. I'll just simply dry fit it for now. But what I'll do, we'll end up thin setting that down, and then we can tile right over top of that, and you don't have to worry about your grout or tile cracking.
Now we're going to use a 1/4 square notch trowel, and we're going to put down our thin set underneath of it. Once you have it troweled onto your substrate, you can put your Ditra down, and then you're going to use your grout float to actually push it down and make sure you get all your bubbles out, push everything to the edge, just like this. Some people claim you can start tiling right away. Personally, I like to wait. I like to let it set up and make sure everything is good to go. But it's a nice thin membrane, and it goes on there, and you know that your tile is not going to crack at all. But apparently my voice still does.